Hi folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix the Nvlddmkm.sys error, then let's look at the options. Now basically this is an error related to the graphics card of your system. So what we will do is first we will try to update the graphics card drivers. So how we do that is we look for device manager, DEVICE manager, click that. Look for the option display adapters. Here's my display adapter. Right click and press update driver. This should resolve the problem. Now if that doesn't work, then we will do a Windows update. So how we do that is we right click on the start button. We'll go to settings. Look for the last tab, Windows Update, and check for updates. This should resolve the problem. Now, if this also doesn't work, then a third option would be to do a memory diagnostic check. How we do that is we press the Windows button and the R key, and we type in this command MDSCHED and we press OK and restart now and check for problems. So this should clear out the memory problems and should correct the issue. Now the last option for people who overclock their system is please don't overclock your computer. This not only causes this type of error, but it causes a lot other problems with the system. So if you are into overclocking your computer and you find this error, then you please set the clock speed to the default system speed. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.